With a rich legacy in crafting high-fidelity audio equipment, Cerwin Vega has become synonymous with outstanding sound quality. Whether you're a dedicated audiophile, a casual music enthusiast, or in search of the ideal sound system for your home theater, Cerwin Vega's diverse range of speakers is designed to enhance your auditory experience. Today, we're going to explore the reasons behind the acclaim of the best Cerwin Vega speakers, help you navigate the process of choosing the perfect model for your specific needs, and offer insights into some of the finest models from this renowned brand. Number 1. Cerwin Vega Home Audio SL5M Satellite Speakers. Cerwin Vega's SL5M satellite speakers are a testament to the brand's commitment to delivering high-quality sound in a compact package. These speakers embody the design of a two-way system, offering balanced and immersive sound, dynamic and detailed, with a full immersion effect. SL5M speakers have a sleek and rugged design typical of the Cerwin Vega aesthetic. They easily fit into small rooms or become part of a large audio system. The 5 1/4 inches driver in these speakers is extremely efficient, delivering a clarity and power output that is unexpected for a speaker of this size. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or playing video games, the sound is crisp and rich. Particularly noteworthy is the bass response, enhanced by the bass reflex cabinet design. It effectively extends the low end, adding depth and warmth to the sound without any distortion or muddiness. Number 2. Cerwin Vega Home Audio SL12 Floor Tower Speaker. The Cerwin Vega Home Audio SL12 Floor Tower Speaker is a remarkable piece of audio equipment that stands out in the realm of home sound systems. Designed to deliver a true three-way sound experience, this speaker is a powerhouse of performance and clarity, making it an ideal choice for audiophiles and casual listeners alike. The SL12 tower speaker boasts a larger cabinet design that is not just aesthetically pleasing but functionally superior as well. The modern-styled bass reflex cabinet is robustly constructed, which is essential in housing the ultra-large 12 inches woofer. This design not only ensures durability but also contributes to the speaker's impressive sound quality. At the heart of the SL12 sound experience is the true three-way design, featuring 3 dedicated drivers for high, mid, and low frequencies. This separation allows for an incredibly realistic and immersive audio experience. The high-frequency driver delivers crisp and clear highs, while the dedicated mid-range driver ensures that vocals and instruments are rendered with exceptional clarity. Number 3. Cerwin Vega SL45C Center Channel Speaker. The Cerwin Vega SL45C Center Channel Speaker is a standout component in any home theater system, designed to anchor the audio experience with exceptional vocal clarity. This speaker, boasting a configuration of quad 5 1/4 inches drivers and a 1-inch soft dome tweeter, is engineered specifically to enhance dialogue and vocals, ensuring that the spoken word is as compelling as the cinematic scores and sound effects in your entertainment. The SL45C features classic styling that blends seamlessly with a variety of home theater setups. Its design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, with a removable grille that allows users to choose between a more traditional or contemporary look. The build quality is robust, a hallmark of Cerwin Vega's commitment to durable and lasting products. The quad 5 1/4 inches drivers are the core of the SL45C's sound output, specifically focused on vocal clarity. This unique setup allows the speaker to deliver dialogues and vocals with exceptional intelligibility and richness. Number 4. Cerwin Vega V465 Speakers for Car Audio. The iconic red rubber surround of the V465 speakers instantly catches the eye, embodying the distinctive Cerwin Vega aesthetic. This design isn't just about looks, it contributes significantly to the speaker's durability and sound quality. The low-resonant, deep-drawn stamped steel basket further ensures stability and longevity, even under rigorous conditions. The 6.52-way coaxial speaker set is engineered for exceptional sound. With 75 watts RMS and an impressive 400 watts max power handling, these speakers are more than capable of delivering loud and clear audio without distortion. The signature Vega red rubber surround complements the curvilinear microfiber composite cone, enhancing the mid-bass response that Vega speakers are known for. This combination results in a rich, dynamic sound profile, making every drive a more enjoyable auditory experience. Number 5. Cerwin Vega V469 Car Coaxial Speaker. Cerwin Vega's V469 Car Coaxial Speaker is an exceptional addition to the Vega series speakers lineup, continuing the brand's long-standing tradition of delivering high-quality audio since 1954. The V469 is designed to cater to car audio enthusiasts who seek a blend of powerful performance and aesthetic appeal. The iconic red rubber surround of the V469 is not just a nod to Cerwin Vega's heritage but also plays a significant role in the speaker's sound quality and durability. The speaker's design is both visually striking and functionally robust, making it a stylish addition to any vehicle. A key feature of the V469's design is the low-resonant, deep-drawn stamped steel basket, which provides a solid foundation for the speaker components. This build quality ensures that the speakers can withstand the rigors of in-car use, from temperature fluctuations to vibrations.